First Humboldt-Princeton conference with the title Mathematical Finance and Semi-Parametrics Meet. Good conferences need good ideas, and I think Zhenjin Fan had a very good idea when he proposed this as part of the winning the Humboldt Senior Alexander von Humboldt Foundation Senior Humboldt Prize. To set up such a conference that possibly if this conference is successful and reasonable, to set up a relation between our two departments. In Princeton, as I understand, it's the Bentheim Center and the Operations Research and Financial Engineering Department. Here, I should present myself, probably some of you don't know me. Wolfgang Haerdle is my name, and I'm the director of so-called CRC, complicated name. It means Collaborative Research Center, or the German name is Sonderforschungsbereich. It's a very complicated name. 649 on economic risk, and this SFB 649 or CRC 649 on economic risk is actually part of an interdisciplinary center called CASE, Center for Applied Statistics and Economics, which is jointly organized between mathematics and economics as the main players. So what is the conference idea? The conference idea is to combine the strengths and interests of both institutions and of main researchers in both places. And we have since several years in the mathematics department a very strong group on mathematical finance, which is now also led into quantitative products laboratory. And we have here in the econ department and also at the Weierstrass Institute very strong groups on, say, quantitative finance or statistics of financial markets. So that was the idea, that we combine the current main focus on semi-parametrics and mathematical finance to understand better how to assess models and how to develop further models. I think the program you have seen on the net, there's only one change. There will be one talk tomorrow that will be not possible to do for personal reasons. You will get an update of the program very soon. We also have student presentations. We have two students from Princeton here, as I understand. Are they here? They were announced. Okay, hello. Good. And we have four students from the Humboldt-University that give talks. Can you raise your hand as well? 1, 2, 3. Who is number 4? Should be 4. Ruslan. Okay, Ruslan is still printing. If the Princeton students want to give talks, please approach me so that we can rearrange the program. Now, of course, a conference like that is not possible without a possibility to lift the idea, and lifting an idea means you need sponsors. And the sponsors here are the Collaborative Research Center on Economic Risk. It is CASE, and it is also Deutsche Bank, with the Quantitative Product Lab, which is a joint research center of Technische Universität and Humboldt-Universität. And also, I'm happy to say that the Wirtschaftswissenschaftliche Gesellschaft, very long name, it means Econ Society, is helping us to lift this idea. Of course, to lift an idea and start a conference is not enough. You have to keep it running. And there I would like to thank the following persons: Steffen Dähne, Ruslan Moro, Dennis Belomestny, and Uwe Ziegenhagen, who also prepares a podcast of this conference. Okay, details you have seen on the program. There is a boat trip tonight. It's a small boat. There's only a few places left. If you want to participate, you are welcome. And I would like to introduce you now the first speaker, Ronny Sirkar, who is very well known in Berlin because he stayed 1998, I think. He stayed at the old Sonderforschungsbereich, the old CRC, on simulation and quantification of economic processes for some time in Berlin, so he knows the place, and I'm happy to have you here again.